Shell fire was heavy. And mortar fire, don't I remember of it now. I don't know, like hell, yeah. People getting hit in there and they were shouting stretcher better here, stretcher better there, you know. And we done our best with them. And we carried on with the company. And we run up the beach into this village. And we turned right to the village and into a narrow pathway. We already been told where to go off the maps, you know. And got into this cornfield and they were firing at us again. And on our right, there was a tank burning. And we couldn't get at him to get him out because we had to keep with our own company. And we went further up. And the shell must have busted and killed my comrade on my side, who was another stretcher bearer. It knocked me out and then eventually I come round. And was sent back to field ambulance service. And they sent me back to the beaches. And going off the beach now, back onto the landing craft tank, which was like acting hospital ship. Just before we got up the ramp, a German aircraft came at us. And there was a French commander by me. And his hand was right by my head. He was lying on his belly with back injuries. And the bullet went straight to his hand.
They were held up, that's why we were on the beach for quite a few days. And the only thing I could remember or seeing was Caen Cathedral and the big white hospital ship on our right. And like I say, once we came up, we had to do all the engines, and then we were away through Bayeux.
You could see Caen Cathedral, what, it's 10 miles away?
Yeah, you could just see it, you know. That's the first thing that struck you, really.
Took a long time to get there, then?
Oh, gosh, yeah.
2 months?
Oh, we were about that much.
They were hoping to get it on day one, weren't they?
Oh, they were, yes. But they didn't do it, did they?
Proved a tough nut to crack.
Oh, they were really tough, fair play.